गोयच्या पर्यटन हंगामाक नेट इराणांतल्यान 140 टुरिस्टांक घेवन पयले चार्टर्ड फ्लायट दाबोळे देंवले आनी 4 फ्लायटी खंय येवपाच्यो.
The weather is a little humidity and it's a beautiful country, a beautiful color.
Yes, this is the first time that I am come to Goa and I live in India. I'm from Iran. My name is Nargis, and this is our holiday. Our holiday about Nowruz. Nowruz is a traditional holiday for Iranian people. So thank you.
साडेसोंक देवल्या आणि एक फ्लायट 8 येता. So these flights are for the Nowruz holidays from Iran, and you have 140 passengers coming in on the first flight and a similar capacity on the second flight. There will be 3 flights, which will be from today to the 24th, another flight from the 24th to the 30th, and the last flight from the 30th to the 4th of April. So we hope they come again every year.
How many passengers are there in this flight?
140.
People, everything is colorful, and we enjoy. We have a gift, and they're so nice.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.